Welcome to my review of LendNation, a website designed to help people build their credit score using short-term loans and financial services. If you've been struggling with credit issues and looking for ways to improve your financial standing, LendNation offers several solutions worth considering. In this video, I'll go over everything from how to sign up on the site to how its credit-building loans actually work. When you first visit the LendNation website, you'll notice a clean, straightforward interface. The site is easy to navigate, with clear options for applying for loans and learning about credit repair services. They focus on providing access to small, short-term loans that can be used to build or repair your credit. This type of service is perfect for individuals who may not qualify for traditional loans, but still need a way to establish or improve their credit score. LendNation is unique because it allows users to apply for loans without the need for a high credit score up front. This makes it an attractive option for those who are new to credit or working to rebuild a damaged score. The application process is relatively simple. You'll need to provide some personal information, like your address, income, and employment details. Once you've submitted your information, LendNation typically gives you an immediate decision on whether or not you qualify for a loan. Once approved, the loan funds are deposited directly into your bank account, which you can then use for various financial needs. What makes LendNation different from traditional loans is that the company reports your payment history to the credit bureaus. This means that when you make timely payments, those positive actions are reflected on your credit report, helping to improve your credit score over time. One thing to note is that, like any credit builder service, there are fees associated with using LendNation. The interest rates on their loans can be higher than those of traditional loans, so it's important to be mindful of how much you're borrowing and your ability to repay it. However, if you're looking for a way to quickly improve your credit and can manage the loan responsibly, LendNation can be a great tool for building credit. Overall, my experience with LendNation has been positive. The website is user-friendly, the loan approval process is quick, and most importantly, it provides a real opportunity to rebuild your credit. While it's not a perfect solution for everyone, if you need a credit boost and can manage the repayment terms, LendNation is a solid choice. Before I wrap up this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts about LendNation in the comments. Are you considering using it, or have you already tried it? I'd love to hear your experiences.